Why are you tearing that up? Spanky. Got this post broken. Oh, you crazy goat. You tear everything up. Hey, Loki. What's up, buddy? How are the babies doing tonight? Get back. I don't want you out yet. No. Stay. Hey, everybody. What do you know? What's up? Come on, baby. No headbutting. No headbutter. What's up there, Stymie? Hey, Sully, you little headbutter. You little headbutting tonight, are you? Go. I wish you wouldn't do that. Those horns are starting to hurt. You're getting some big horns on you. What do you think, Stymie? Look at the little horn. You get a horn. Would you quit with the horning? No. Hey, that hurts. Hey, Darla. How you doing, darling? Would you quit with the horning? Hey, stop. That headbutting hurts there, buddy. Let me have a look at you. Come here. Hold still. Well, at that age, they're starting to headbutt. The boys are. Would you, Sully, would you stop? No. He fell down. Oh. Stop. What's up, buddy? Hey, Buckwheat. What's up, Buckwheat? What's up, buddy? Hi, Kane. Both these males are only a year old. They're gonna be really big. Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Man, your horns are getting big. For only a year old. How about you, Spanky? You're gonna be a monster. They grow till they're 3 years old. They're only a year old. Well, 13 months. All right. Say goodnight. Hey, Bodie. What's up, buddy? You watching the girls tonight? Good boy. Good boy. Who's my buddy? Who's my buddy? Oh, yeah, who's my buddy? Good boy. All right, good night.